Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. All cricket fans know that who is Natarajan, a legend. We are going to see an inspirational, a motivational story of T. Natarajan, a boy coming from a small village and getting a great success is not an easy thing. He is from Tamil Nadu, Salem, a small village from Chinnambatti. Now he is known as a Yorker King of India. He had get a great success in his cricket life. We are going to see about his life journey, how he got this great success. Before seeing this video, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. He has three sisters, a younger brother, and Natarajan is the oldest one. His dad works in a power loom. His mother works in a small chicken shop. He is from a very ordinary family. Even while studying in a government school, he did not have money to buy notebooks and pencils. You can know from here that how poor family he is from. But this all getting, he had succeed in his life. He started playing tennis ball cricket when he was studying in 5th standard. He came to know what a cricket ball is like only when he turned 20 and his career started then. In the year 2011, he got a chance to play in Chennai. He played 4th division in Chennai and where his cricket career started. To play cricket professionally, there is the need of shoes and clothes. He did not have money to travel for training if he was called suddenly. He used to save money from local tournaments to be able to buy something important and also to go somewhere. Since he is a bowler, the most important gear are shoes. As he was a bowler, the important thing was shoes. Whichever team he played for usually sponsored his shoes. He used to take good care of the shoes so that he would use them all year long. His aim was just to play Ranji Trophy for Tamil Nadu, not a big aim. He didn't thought of playing for India. He just have a small aim for playing Ranji Trophy for Tamil Nadu. Usually everyone has to play under 19, under 16, under 23 and only then get to play Ranji Trophy. But he played in Ranji Trophy directly. That is his first success. He was very happy and everyone in village also. In the year 2014, it was all going well until he got report from suspect action in his debut. He worked hard to correct the action and make a comeback. He played in TNPL. After comeback, he is when people came to know who is Natarajan. That the year he was brought by Kings 11 Punjab in the occasion. He had lots of pressure on him. The following year, just before Ranji Trophy, he had a problem with elbow. Due to his elbow injury, he did not play any state matches or any other games except TNPL that year. He lost of year because of his elbow surgery. That when Natarajan was brought by Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2018 in players occasion. He did not get a chance in the first 2 years in IPL. He played Ranji Trophy very well. He played all 3 formats in 2019. Behind his success, Jay Prakash, who tried the most for his success even in IPL jersey, he wrote JP Nattu. He have always wished to start a cricket academy. He started his academy to bring cricket to play in and around his village. Today he is known as Yorker King, India's tour of Australia. He was just selected as a net bowler. Included in both ODI and T20, I scored as an injury replacement. He was not even selected as a squad player due to as an injury 8 spells and finished T20I series as the leading wicket taker with 6 wickets. We all know who is Bruce as one of the fastest bowlers in the world. He praises Natarajan that how you bowl at the back end of an innings. Outstanding, Natarajan tweeted. Kapil Dev names his hero of IPL. Lakshman tweeted on Natarajan. Moreover, now he is set as Indian Yorker King. By listening his inspiring story, we all think something or somewhere. What do you think? You just leave on comment box. You should work hard, whichever field it is. You will achieve your goal. Work hard, dream big. Nothing is impossible if you believe. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.